We got a comparison video today. We're comparing this 6-inch trifold mattress to most other trifold mattresses in its category, just to give you an idea on, is this the right one for you to get? Help you make a quick informed buying decision. So I went ahead and put together 3 points in just comparing this to most other trifold mattresses. And we'll just go through them real quick and see what happens. So point number 1, authentic 6-inch high density foam comfort. What I think is amazing about this is it really is like a high density foam. So it's very supportive. It's hard for me. It's very supportive, but it's plush. It's got a padding to it. But I think where you can really see the 6-inch high density foam is when you use it as a straight up mattress, because all 3 are on the floor and I'm not feeling any pressure points on my body. I feel very supported, and it also feels like it's got some give. So if you're looking at this for a mattress, definitely very nice. A lot of these can be on the flimsy side. This is definitely on the supportive side. So that makes it really nice. Point number 2, trifold versatility. You've got obviously I'll just show you those. So you got lay down, you've got this, and then you got this. So you have real quick options you can use. Obviously, that's the reason most people are getting this. I think the other cool thing is if you need it for more than one person, you can just get a queen or something like that. So that's really nice. Point number 3, soft, breathable Chenille. It's a very soft, breathable cover. It also has a zipper, so you can remove it and wash it, which is really nice. Dude, this thing came right out of the box. You just cut it open and it expands. Very simple and easy. There's no setup required. I think also this tufted kind of vibe where you actually have the buttons, I think it gives it added extra detail. In fact, we've reviewed several of these. I don't think we've seen that, right? Yeah. We haven't seen the tufted vibe. So this gives it more of like a living room kind of vibe, where it kind of fits in the living room with more of like almost like a put together higher end look. So I think these are really nice, especially when you look at the number on the product page. I think this is the one to go with.